with our Magic Adventures, and we're here today at Guardians of the Galaxy ride. We're so excited to go on. We're actually here for a D23 preview. It's a ticketed event, and it's pretty cool because we are also going to be able to see Harmonious tonight in a special viewing area, and we got a gift card for food. So all in all, it's worked out to be very minimal in what we paid. So anyway, we're going to go on this ride, and we can go as many times as we want, which is great. And we're going to see what it's all about. I mean, I've seen plenty of videos, but you never know it until you do it, right? So we're going to go ahead and give it a try. So why don't you join us? Here we are. We're going in. Cool on this side. Looks like we missed the queue. Queue's on the left.
Although Xandar is 2.5% billion light-years away from your planet Terra, our worlds are actually from our world to and began at precisely the same moment. We refer to this as time zero, before the existence of anything. Our worlds were born of a single point of matter and energy that lasted outward in what you Terrans refer to.
Residents to live, work, and play.
Our import-export centers facilitate the trade
is
of vast
Xandar.
quantities of goods from all corners of the Andromeda Galaxy and beyond. With an ever-expanding population, our spaceports are the busiest in the galaxy, with hundreds of thousands of ships arriving and departing daily.
Because I love that place. It's awesome. I went there as a kid, and I mean, I cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and of course, hear the veggie fruit. It's the
I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters.
Yes.
Epcotians.
The pre-show.
Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarian's, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Interior monitor, go to code red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
It's some kind of new jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Novadu, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. Now we programmed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's Kate. Where's this Kate? The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. Done.
We're gonna go on 4. There we go.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jump back.
Yeah, we get that all the time. Here. Okay, anytime. Okay. Let me try this.
Love gives me gas.
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Leave your star blasters.
We haven't contained, but not for long.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. It's Epcot.
Remind me to raise our rates.
Thanks, Terrence!
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?
And so, wow, it was really great. We only went on it twice because we had a lot to do today, and it rained, and the fireworks got delayed. But you know what? That's just how it goes here in Florida. So, but we went on it again this evening, and it was fun. The first time we went on, they played Disco Inferno, and that was really cool. The music went so well with the ride. And the second time we went is Disco Inferno, but that's okay. It was really, it really went well with the ride. I'm prone to motion sickness, and I did take a generic Dramamine, and I also took some ginger tablets, and I put some tabs behind my ears. But anyway, I don't have motion sickness, but Paul does, but he didn't take Dramamine because he thought he would be too tired. But anyway, it's very smooth. It turns. You're looking down sometimes. You're going backwards sometimes. It's phenomenal. You think you're spiraling down and going down. All of a sudden, you're going back up again, and it was great. It was absolutely great. So if you have to purchase Lightning Lane to get it, then you should. And if you're lucky enough to be able to stand in the queue and get on, do it. If you are prone to motion sickness, you might want to take some precautions for that. But I think overall, you'd be really happy you went, and I'm very happy I went. So I'm glad to be able to tell you all about it, and we'll look forward to our next magical adventure. Bye.